Good afternoon, everyone. This is Henry, and as we get into this evening's review, there's a big part of what I have to give you after a weekly close, like what we have seen this week, that is a part of me that steps away from the market and says, I'm always trying to give you actionable trade ideas, a good view of what's to come from the market ahead. But when you wrap up a monthly expiration, I think it makes sense, and especially with this April one now behind us, to not have too many preconceived notions of what will be ahead into the end of the month, and then also into the, always sell in May and go away. I'm sure you guys are already hearing it. So is that the kind of environment that we're going to get into or not? I really don't have any opinion of that just yet, but I want to show you the battle lines, or essentially what is being drawn in the markets. And really, if you're going to work to understand the market, most of the time you're going to have a focus on SPX. You can go down into the primary constituents of the index, but really it is 4,200 is the line in the sand as far as a huge wall of resistance. And then you have 4,100, right? This is where anything above 4,100 kind of keeps the dream alive for bulls. You'll also notice that today's close keeps you right up above the 10 EMA. However, you did also see the signal that is the close below the low of the high bar. This is one way that you begin the path back into the 21 EMA. So there really are a few ways that I could see this playing out. I don't particularly love the reversion to the mean trade. Of course, with today being Friday, you have the close of your weekly bars. So any of you that have studied the simpler trading methodology for any length of time have probably come across the squeeze. I have the two versions of it shown here, this bottom one included with Thinkorswim, but this just shows you where this Friday, this close of this weekly bar is a weekly squeeze that has fired long. If that signal is going to give what it often can, you can see up to 5 to 8 weeks of signal continuation, or essentially strength for, this amount of time. So I'm keeping that in the back of my mind. I'm letting the expiration get a little bit behind us, see what Monday looks like, and then we'll start making fresh assessments against those ranges. So I hope you find it a honest and helpful review. You guys have a great weekend, and I'll see you again on Monday. Hey traders, this is Henry with simplertrading.com. I wanted to thank you for watching today's video. I hope you found it helpful, and if so, be sure to click the like and subscribe buttons down below. If you would like to also see me putting these ideas into action and trading my own account live in front of you, be sure to sign up at simplertrading.com, and I hope to see you in the chat room sometime soon.